The Aboriginal people of Australia have an ancient traditional practice called the songline. A songline is a path across the land that is recorded in traditional songs, stories, dance and painting. One of the ways songlines are still used today is in teaching the younger generation the history and stories of their people. The songs and stories are repeated to them as they walk through their land and in experiencing the stories in connection with place. In doing this, the connection with both land and story is preserved. Work has been done exploring and articulating a number of Aboriginal pedagogies. A resultant framework has been developed that allows teachers to include Aboriginal perspectives in learning experiences for both Aboriginal and non-Aboriginal students. Our project here focuses in on one of the framework's 8 pedagogies, the land links, which connects learning to land and place. I also draw on a work done in outlining how mobile devices, storytelling and learning can intersect. To demonstrate how mobile devices can be used to both develop and experience a place-based learning experience, I've used an innovative service called Actionbound to create a reflective learning experience around the grounds of the ANZAC War Memorial in Hyde Park, Sydney. Actionbound allows you to create an experience that consists of a combination of media-rich information and activities that can be tied into locations. The learning experience I have developed to showcase this approach asks you to walk to a certain place in the memorial grounds. Once you reach that place, the GPS on your mobile device releases the next step in the sequence. For example, when you reach the eastern side of the memorial, content is released that invites you to listen to a Wilfred Owen poem, Dulce et Decorum Est, while reflecting on the brass bas relief depicting the events on the Western Front. Both the bas relief and the poem depict the horror of a gas attack on the soldiers. Later on in the learning experience, you are asked to write a reflective piece centred around connecting with how the World War I veterans would have experienced this place. And still later, you are asked to post a photo that depicts how you've been impacted by another part of the memorial grounds. By embedding sounds, song and images into the content that is released only once the student is physically in a location, and then giving creative opportunities for students to interact with both content and place, you can create modern-day songlines in your community that leverage well-documented Aboriginal pedagogies to embed learning techniques that are more culturally appropriate for your Aboriginal students, as well as giving your non-Aboriginal students a fresh learning experience.